Brosiect loteri ydy teulu ni sy'n cael ei ariannu o dan rhaglen gwella'r dyfodol. A mae ar gyfer teuluoedd lle mae plentyn hynaf rhwng 5 a 10.
Teulu is really good because what it provides for families, and you know, times are really hard at the moment, but what it provides is good support, it provides fun things for children to do, but it provides really practical help to parents and to carers at times when, you know, maybe people are struggling with benefits or struggling to understand how to feed their child or struggling how to bring a child up, so it's really, really important support for all families. But Teulu is also important because it covers such a big area, so the challenges are pretty considerable. So a day like today, when everybody comes together, is really important, and I think we already see the kind of support that those families are getting.
Mae'r prosiect wedi cael ei setio fyny fel rhan o consortia bartneriaethau. Wedyn, da ni'n medru prynu gwasanaethau arbenigol partneriaeth yma i fewn ar gyfer y teuluoedd.
I think Teulu is different because of the geographical reach, you know, and it puts a lot of effort in thinking about how you can transport families, how you can make services available. You know, it covers an area with big rural areas and towns, and it's about trying to think through how you can provide that support. So it's really good at about thinking through things about transport, how you get information out to parents and children, how you engage with children and parents. So it puts a lot of extra effort in. There's a lot of added value in this work, because you can't just say come to this centre and we'll all see you there if you're, you know, literally hundreds of miles apart. So it's different because it spends the time to build relationships, and that's the most important thing. And those relationships have to be trusted relationships, and I think that's what Teulu is really good at. It builds trusted relationships with families.
Mae teulu ni wedi helpu fi drwy lot o ffyr rili. Da'n dechrau lot o bethau ni eisiau gwella tŷ. Mae'n wedi helpu fi gael carpedi newydd, a mae'n wedi cael dodau newydd i fi a'r merch a bethau fel yna.
Lle ni'n gallu bod yn hands-on efo'r teuluoedd a gwneud be maen nhw angen i newid pethau iddyn nhw.
Da ni'n falch iawn bod y teulu ni wedi bod yn un o'r 60 o brosiectau drwy'r Deyrnas Unedig Ffion Llwyddiannus, ac da ni'n gobeithio fydd yr 800 o mobiloedd o bunna mae'r loteri ni roed yn helpu'r partneriaeth, achos mae rhaid ni gofio mae dyna ydio i partneriaeth rhwng nifer o asiantaethau yn gweithio efo'i gilydd yn helpu teuluoedd, yr rhieni, yr plant, ac i ddweud y gwir, gymuned leol hefyd, maen nhw i gyd yn elwa o'r prosiect yma. Da ni weithiau yn meddwl, mae dim ond yn y trefi mawr yma'r problema, ond dydy hynny ddim yn wir. Mae'r ardaloedd gwledig hefyd efo'i problemau weithiau reit aml yn allan fwy oherwydd bod yr broblem trafeilio. Ac wedyn da ni yn falch iawn bod yr prosiect yma yn dangos ac yn gweithio yng Ngwynedd yn gyfan gwbl.
Teulu are so helpful, they're not judgmental, they're so caring about families, and they're there willing to help you.
Dim ond am 2 blynedd mae'r prosiect yn cael ei ariannu gan y loteri, ond beth ydyn ni weld yn aml ydy pan mae rhywun yn gallu dangos canlyniadau da, ac dwi'n ffyddiog o beth teulu ni yn medru gwneud hynny, yna bydd yna ffordd o'i gario fo ymlaen, achos mae o yn brosiect rhy bwysig i fedru golli.